Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, The Life of Alex W. Okay, first and foremost, before we start, let me just say I am shook. Like, y'all gonna be shook by the end of this video when y'all find out how much all these products cost. Like, this is the most affordable drug prices I've ever seen. It's out of this world, y'all. Like, unbelievable. So I am going to give y'all all the details throughout this video, so stay tuned. If you like this look already, go ahead and leave your girl a like, a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, show me some love, and let's just get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be using is the Black Radiance Dewy and Luminous Face Primer. Ooh, it comes out like really golden. Let's go ahead and put this on. Now I've already moisturized my face pretty good. I like to make sure I'm really like extra moisturized before I put a new product on, just for a little bit more protection. Now this primer has like gold flakes in it, which I'm not sure how that's going to look under the foundation, but we'll see. And guys, this video is going to be really quick because like I said, I am on my way to work. I don't want to be late, so now we're going to use the Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup, and I chose the color, what color was this? I chose the color Deep Amber. And I was going back and forth between like 3 different colors, but I decided to go with this one. Just gonna put this here on my wrist. Okay, not too bad for first impression. It does feel like it's buildable coverage. We get that on and then I'll spread it everywhere else. Okay, not too bad on the foundation match. I probably could have went with something a little bit more gold. I see a lot of red tones in this, but my skin, like I said, always say, is finicky. One time I have gold tones, sometimes my red tones are popping, so it's okay for now. I think it's gonna be a lot better once I add some shape into my face with concealer, so. All right, not too bad for now. The gold flakes in that primer are showing, but not too much. Kind of gives more of just like a luminous glow. Okay, so I forgot that they have a liquid highlighter, and this is what it is here. This is how it looks. I think it'll be a disaster if I try to put this on right now, given that I've already put my foundation on. I wanted to do it prior. Let me see, it may not be. I'll give it a try. I honestly should have put on my concealer first, but I just wanted to see what that was gonna do. Okay. So they have some color correctors. This is an HD color corrector. I have it in the color, I probably should have used this as well prior to me putting on my foundation, but plus it's just a color corrector, not an actual concealer. So just gonna put it above my eyes too for the hyperpigmentation area. I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place. Sneak this in here. Okay, I've almost completely taken off the edge of my eyebrow over here. Let me go ahead and correct it real quick. Okay, next product is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. And I have this one in the, why can't I find these names on these colors? Oh, Honeymoon. Honeymoon is the color. So I know it was like 3 different ones. So I chose the one that was lighter. I love to see a brown setting powder. I don't know. Okay guys, so far so good, not too bad, right? And like when I say these products are super duper affordable, like this is a lick. Okay, so we're gonna go in and use the True Complexion contour palette, and this one here, it has 3 different colors: a contour, a sculptor, and also a highlighter. That's what it looks like here. I'm gonna be using this contour just to add some shape into my face. Sorry guys, my husband called, but I'm just gonna, like I did, I added the contour right here, and then a little bit above my forehead. And I wanna just add some like underneath my chin here. And I haven't said it already, but I am very, very satisfied with these products, like extremely satisfied. Let's go ahead and move to the eyes. So I got the Box of Chocolates palette. Nice little palette here, nice little variety of colors. Now, there aren't any matte colors in here. Most of these are, well, let me see, this black is a matte. And there's another matte color here, but most of them are like shimmery. I'm gonna do these 2 here and see what that looks like. I am not a shimmery type of person. I prefer matte over the shimmer and satin eyeshadows. So we'll see how this turns out.
Let me just stop before I ruin this whole thing. This should be enough here.
Okay, we have a baked blush, artesian color. So we're gonna be using this one here. Let me go ahead and open it up so I can put it on. Oh, Jesus. This, wow. I barely tapped it and it gave me like so much product. Okay, so I have a soft focus finishing powder. We're just gonna put that all over. Next, I'm gonna be using the baked bronzer, and let's see what it's giving. Okay, so I did buy two different lip creams. They are matte lip creams. I just wanted like a neutral color and also a little pop of pink. I don't know what I'm gonna be using. I'll probably do a combo, honestly. Let's see. Okay, so last we're gonna go in with the dewy setting spray. Here it is here. Take my tap off. I'm just checking to make sure I did use all the products. All right, that is the end. I really hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and watch another video too and share them with your friend, guys. I am trying to jump into YouTube's algorithm, so show me some love. And until next time, I hope you guys are staying healthy, stay blessed, continue wearing your mask so we can get out of this pandemic and be blessed.